In this video, I'll show you how to create a Trust Wallet account step by step. First, go to the App Store or Google Play on your phone and search for Trust Wallet. Download the official Trust Wallet app and open it. On the first screen, tap Create a new wallet. Trust Wallet will ask you to agree to the terms and warn you about the importance of your recovery phrase. Tap Continue. Next, you'll see your secret recovery phrase, 12 words. Write these words down on paper in the correct order and keep them somewhere safe and offline. Never share them with anyone and don't screenshot them. The app will then ask you to confirm the phrase by tapping the words in the right order. Once you do that, your wallet is created. Finally, set up extra security. Go to Settings Arrow Security and turn on App Lock/Passcode and Face ID/Fingerprint if available. After this, your Trust Wallet is ready. You'll see your main wallet screen where you can receive, send, and buy crypto. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.